So this is the practice problem that you had to upload on Wednesday, the 18th. This is the correct way to do this. Some of you are doing really well, some of you are struggling. So if you're struggling, please pay attention. And if you have questions afterwards, just send me an email, send me a message in Canvas. Okay, so this is an intercept form. So it's telling you what your x-intercepts are. They are the opposite of what you have in parentheses. In parentheses, you have a -2 and a -4. Opposite that would be a 2, +2, +4. So your x-intercepts are at 2 and at 4. Okay, so after you do that, after you find your x-intercept, next is your vertex. And you find your x coordinate of your vertex by taking the average of these two intercepts. So those two numbers are 2 and 4. So to take an average of them, you're going to add them together. So 2 plus 4, and you've got 2 of them, so you're going to divide by 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the x coordinate of the vertex is 3. And then what you can do, you can plug that 3 in. You can substitute in that 3 for x here and for here, x here. So, see what you got. And this is going to be 3 minus 2 times, what was that? 3 minus 4, which is -1. Okay? So your vertex is at 3, -1. So 3, -1 would be here. All right? And if you need more points, you can go to your graphing calculator online, see what it tells you. Let's just minimize that. So that tells you you've got the points 0, 8. So I'm here, guys, 0, 8, which is there. I'm going to go ahead and plot that on my graph. You'll see it when it shows up in a minute. 0, 8. This point is 1, 3. Plot that. We've already got these 3 points, and then it looks like this point is 5, 3. And then this point is 6, 8. Okay, so what I've done is I've plotted those points as we looked at them, okay? So this is 0, 8. This is 1, 3. This is 2, 0. This is 3, -1, our vertex. This is 4, 0, x-intercept. This is 5, 3. And this is 6, 8. Okay, so now you can make a nice curve. And that's your parabola, that's your graph. It opens up. It has a minimum. The minimum value here is -1. The axis of symmetry is 3. So if you were to cut this in half, so both sides of the graph are symmetrical, it would make a line or axis at x equals 3. Domain is -infinity to +infinity. Range starts at -1 and it goes up. So -1 to infinity for the range. In behavior, they're both pointing up, so they are both increases. Okay, you can't see that. And then interval of increase and decrease. So traditionally, when we're in the regular classroom setting, students struggle with this concept. They struggle with interval of increase and decrease. And if that's you, hopefully not, but if that's you, get some highlighters. Okay. Highlight the graph. So what I want to do is I want to highlight both sides of this axis of symmetry. That's going to smear the ink. Sorry if you're OCD. It's going to look bad. And then I'm going to highlight the other side blue. And there we have it. So that's going to show me two different sides of the graph. Now, I want to look at my x-axis because when you're doing interval of increase and decrease, that's what you're looking at. Over here, all the way to the left is negative infinity. All the way to the right is positive infinity. And this in the middle is 3. Okay? So from negative infinity, so we move to the right to 3, that side, that pink side of the graph is going down. So that is negative. Okay? The blue side, so if we start at 3, we keep moving to the right from 3 to infinity, graph's pointing up. It's going up. So that's our interval of increase and decrease. So interval of increase would be 3, because again, you're looking at the x-axis. That is 3. So 3 to infinity for interval of increase. Interval of decrease would be negative infinity to 3. As you submit these, I guess, homework assignments, I will send you, the correct way to work them. But some of the people in your class have not submitted, so I don't want to make it available to everybody. I want to make it available to those of you who have actually completed the assignment, so you can look at it before the quiz on Friday. Thanks, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Well, I won't see you physically, but you'll hear me. I hope everyone's doing well.